pretty good stuff, huh, Max? What are you eating? The ice cream? Daddy, yeah, is he feeding you ice cream? Is it cold? Is it cold? Do you have some strawberries in there too? Can you do it all by yourself?
Hey, watch what you're doing. Watch what you're doing.
Max, you're going to spill. Slow down, you're going to get a headache. You have freeze brain. Brain freeze. Yep, you better take a breather now.
Let's cut up some strawberries, okay?
Can you wave? Hi.
Oh, that's a big bite. Let's just wait. Yep.
Max, is that good?
Apparently we like strawberries. There's ice cream on them.
Max, can you say, mmm?
Is that good?